Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Ivadan and Buehler Open Protein Innovation Center in Singapore.
Organic Pulses Sesame Seed Walnut Cleaning Processing Lines from Turkey Mersin.
3 Bangladeshi women in the list of 100 scientists in Asia.
Jars of Jamuna and Saryakandi Upazilla of Bagra are now reddish in color with ripe chilies.
Crusher CR is a versatile machine for coarse crushing of bulk materials.
Ongoing heat shocks can cause burro rice crop failure. Food security in the face of problems.
An outbreak of red locusts has devastated Namibian pastures and crop fields.
Hydroxyanthracene derivatives in food and dietary supplements.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.